All right, everybody. So I'm at the same parking lot. Day 2 of flying the drone. So this is only my second time flying it. And I brought my better half with me. She can wave. I'm telling you, you think this drone made a annoying, hissing, piercing sound. You ain't been in the truck with her.
Okay, you can fast forward.
All right, so anyway, let's get this going. This is the path where we introduce ourselves to the tree. And we say hi to every branch on the way down. Hello branch, hello branch. Hi, I'm DJI Avata. And bam, smack on the ground. All right, that took quite a hit. Hit every tree branch on the way down. But these things are built like tank. When I checked it out, there's not a thing wrong with it, not a scratch, nothing. There is a battery installation error you can see, so I put that back in and I think it reset the home spot because when I tried to take off again, it was going where I didn't expect it to go. So I thought it was flying away, but I think it was just trying to get to a new home spot. So I wasn't exactly grabbing control of it, so I had my goggles off, the Integras, and it finally started reacting. So I think it just needed a few seconds after I reset the battery to be like, oh, here we are, this is where I need to be. And I had no problem after that. So once I got that, I put my Integra goggles back on, everything looks good, and from here on out, there was not a single issue. It flew perfectly, controlled perfectly, no problem. So let's see that again, and let's see it faster this time.